everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, I haven't been vlogging at all this week, so I decided we would just do a get ready with me. And I had somebody ask in one of the recent videos in the comments if I had tried the new Maybelline Superstay Activewear, and I hadn't even heard of it. It looks just like the original Superstay, but this one that lasted 24 hours. This is supposed to last 30 hours, and this one says, oh, here they are. It says Maybelline Superstay Activewear Foundation lasts up to 30 hours. Long wear, full coverage with a light as air feel. Seamless, natural, matte finish. So I don't think the other one said light as air and stuff. I don't remember. I looked on my videos and I reviewed the regular Superstay 3 years ago. So this is just like a new one, huh? Anyways, the benefits are full coverage foundation, yet feels light as air. Transfer resistant foundation sets new standards for high performance up to 30 hours. I don't know anybody that needs to wear their makeup for 30 hours straight, but you know. Anyways, its oil-free formula provides seamless, natural matte finish, allergy tested, non-comedogenic, suitable for all skin types, dermatology just tested. That's it. So anyways, we're gonna give it another shot because she made it sound like it was new, and she said she wanted to know what I thought of it compared to the other one. Okay, so the other one I don't have. I thought I still had it, but I guess I gave it away. Plus the fact that I reviewed it 3 years ago. I thought it had a new one more recent than that, but I couldn't find one in my videos, so I'm sure it didn't. Anyways, that's what we're gonna try. I also got this. Tati just did a video on drugstore stuff, and she had said something about the 5-pan Wet n Wild, and so I hadn't watched the video yet, and she did not list what colors she used, or even if she liked it. Like I said, I hadn't watched the videos, but I assumed that she liked it. So anyways, I got one. This one is, and it looked like it had been dropped, but it was the only one of this color because there's some crumbles in here from the lightest color, but it still looked like there was plenty there, so I went ahead and got it. And this is the color Walking on Eggshells. But I thought these colors were just right up my alley. And so that's what we're gonna try that too. I have already done the TikTok method where you put your moisturizer on, then you put a light coating of my Bye Bye Pores powder, and then you spray it. I used the Tarte, something of the Rainforest of the Sea spray. I have been using this since the other day when we did like almost all Tarte. It's like, oh, I really like that. So I've been using this. I wish, I forgot to turn that off. I wish somebody else would come out with a aerosol one, because I wish Tarte would, because I like this. But I really like the aerosol. It's just so quick and easy. I love the aerosol. Anyway, moving on. I have already done all that, so now we are ready for our primer, and I am going to do this exactly like I always do all my foundations. I'm not trying anything else new out except that foundation and that eyeshadow, so that it gets a fair test this way, I think. Anyways, did I say what this is? This is the Tarte Base Tape Primer. Anyways, I got the color Warm Nude. Hopefully it's good. I tried to go not too dark because I have no tan on anymore. But it looks pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Hopefully it is. So I'm just gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna spread it out with a brush. This video is probably going to go up late because it's supposed to go up today, and my internet is so bad that it'll probably go up tomorrow. It'll go up tonight, but it won't be released until tomorrow. So I apologize. I should have got it done earlier, but I hadn't got any vlogging done, and I thought, oh, I'll do a shop with me. And the weather's just been so screwy, I haven't even wanted to leave the house. The color is perfect, huh? So I haven't really done anything to vlog. Did you guys watch, any of you watch Lisa's live this morning? I did. I didn't watch the whole thing live. I had to go do something else. But I watched a lot of it, and then I have since watched the rest of it because she posted it on her Instagram. It was on Instagram. I love Lisa. I wish we lived close together. We'd be best friends for sure. But I was feeling really down this morning. Probably another reason I hadn't got a video done. And then I watched that and I felt so much better. I felt like so inspired. And so I got up, put my lashes on, put my nails on, and I'm making this video. So thank you, Lisa. And we love you, Lisa. Okay, I'm just gonna go over it with a sponge real quick to make sure it's all even. I like it. You know what? I bet would look really pretty in it too if I mixed some of this 4-in-1 sparkly stuff. This it's Maybelline too, I think. Yes, it is. The Instant Age Perfector. Instant Age Rewind Perfector. I don't know what it's called. And I can't, oh. I'm just an airhead, huh? Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. This stuff has sparkles in it. And it is pretty. But it doesn't have very much coverage. So I'm thinking as a mixer, it would be great. I'm not going to do it today though because we're just testing it out. But maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do it for our wrinkles one on Tuesday. I don't have anything for that either. But I was thinking, I just got my ad from Ulta. And there was a bunch of Ulta products that I thought, maybe we'll try all these Ulta products. So I'm just going to go in with my Pat McGrath concealer and conceal all of these bags under my eyes. Then I'm going to blend it out with my sponge. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. So far, so good. Let's go ahead, and it actually looks a little glowy for a full coverage matte finish. I think it looks, don't you think it looks a little glowy? I mean, I like it. It's fine, but it does look a little glowy. All right, let's go in with our powder. This is my Bye Bye Pores from It Cosmetics. And I know I should probably be trying more, but you know, if it ain't broke. And I do have others that I've tried. I used to use Laura Mercier all the time, and Laura Mercier is nothing compared to this stuff. For mature skin, smoothing it out some. The only thing is, it's very finely milled and it chokes you. Unless you hold your breath, which I usually do. All right. Now I'm going to go in with my powder brush, spread it around, get it everywhere else. There we go, nice smooth canvas to work on. Okay. Next is our, I don't even know if you guys want to watch this because it's the same stuff I always use. It's my Bobbi Brown, my Dallas, and my, where did it go? I've been trying to use other stuff lately, and my Dandelion. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to do it real quick. I'll put it in fast forward since you guys have seen me use it so many times. Okay, now we're gonna go in and do the eyes, and we're gonna use this little guy here, and that's what it looks like. And yeah, you can see it was broken a little, but it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with the, let's see, for a transition color, I think we're gonna go with this one. I think these are all mattes. Nope. These two are shimmers. So we're gonna start off with this guy as our transition color. Take a fluffy brush for him. Ooh, very powdery. I was expecting it to be have like a film on it, and it didn't. I need to look over here. I can't see that I'm getting any. It's very powdery. I really wanted to do just a very, very light look. Get most of our color from the liner. We're gonna do a really bold line today. If I can. I don't know, I put lashes on, so now I'm not sure if I can do it. But I'm gonna try. All right, we're gonna go in with the lightest color here and put that on the rest of the lid. It's a little bit of a shimmer too. I thought it was not a shimmer, but it has a little bit of glow to it. It's pretty though. I thought this whole palette was matte. Guess I should wear my glasses when I go to the store, huh? Or read it. I was in a kind of a hurry, and I needed something new for a video. I don't even know how new these are, but I know I just saw Tarte do it, so I figured it can't be that old. And I don't know how much these were. I forgot to look. But the foundation is $11.99 at Ulta. I got mine at Walmart, but I didn't bring it up on, you know, because the Walmart.com site is not always the same price as it is in store. So anyway, we are going to just, I think we're just going to stop there. Well, no, we better put a little bit of this dark color in the outer corner just to give us a little bit of lift, even though I'm going to do it, the lift kind of with the liner. I'm just going to use this darkest brown color right here in the outer corner, and I'm just going to pack some in there, just a little bit. Just like that, just to give it a little bit of shadow over there to make it look not so downturned. Just like that. Pull it up just a little bit. I probably shouldn't do that without looking. That's it. Now we're going to do liner. I think I'm going to do liquid liner. I have this Stila one. It's the Stila Stay All Day, something like that. I'm going to remember they're up there one of these. Yeah, Stay All Day Waterproof, which I don't really usually buy a waterproof, but maybe this was sent to me or something. Anyways, that's what we're going to use. We're going to see if we can still make a line. Hopefully we won't screw up the prettiness we already made. So I'm going to put my chin down, and I'm going to stamp it. Just like that. It's not even a good line, but it's stamped. So now I can lift my head up and connect the dots. Now we're gonna do the eyebrows. And we're gonna use my Cabral, because that's my fave. And I washed my brush. I need to get another brush. I had 2 of these, and the other one, this came off. This came off on this one before too, and I put it back in and scrunched it down. The other one, like, I had scrunched it down too many times and it broke. So I have to get another one of those. And anyway, I'll speed this up too because it takes for a while. Okay, for our lips, I think we're gonna do a lip liner. All right, we're gonna use this L'Oreal lip liner in Beyond Pink from L'Oreal, but I've had this for a million years, so I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, I'll link it below. And yes, I'm overlining. Because my top lip is very small. And then I'm going to put in my City Beauty San Diego for my color. And that is our look for the day. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!